Welcome to InstantGMP. We're thrilled to introduce our innovative electronic batch records feature called Dynamic Fields. Designed to meet GMP standards, Dynamic Fields empower users to enhance our system's data capture capabilities. This feature provides a cloud-based solution for executing arithmetic, offering operators selectable options, or establishing standards throughout the batch record. The best way to grasp this functionality is through a demonstration. In the master production record, we can define values or formulations for operators to engage with. Let's create a simple example, a density calculation. Imagine a container with a constant volume into which powdered material is poured. The operator weighs the material with a balance and records the weight to perform the calculation. Once confirmed, the operator can execute the calculation. Notice that the only field the operator interacts with is the mass field. We've locked the container's volume as a constant. After entering the mass, the system automatically completes the arithmetic. With proper setup, this feature eliminates the need for manual calculations, allowing users to input raw data effortlessly. Arithmetic is just one application. We've demonstrated how it can hold constant values, but now let's see how the density value carries over to the next step. Here, the operator must make a selection based on this value using a drop-down menu. These are just a few examples of our dynamic fields in action. Their primary purpose is to not only record data, but also streamline external operations and enable informed decision-making. Contact a sales representative today to learn more about this feature. InstantGMP, revolutionizing operator support.